apt. Advanced Package Tool is a command-line utility for installing, updating, removing, and managing deb packages on Debian, Ubuntu, and related Linux. Let's start. How to manage package with apt. First, downloads package information from sources, apt update. FB Panel is a lightweight desktop panel. For our test, let's install FB Panel. Apt install. Now, package FB Panel are installed using apt. Let's check more details about FB Panel. Apt Cache Madison. Another way to check details. Apt Cache Policy. Apt Mark for marking packages as manually or automatically installed, upgraded or removed. Show Hold is used to print a list of packages on hold. Apt Mark Show Hold. Hold used to mark FB Panel package, which will prevent the package from being automatically installed, upgraded or removed. Apt Mark Hold. Unhold. Allow all actions again, automatically, install, upgrade or remove. Apt Mark Unhold. Auto Clean. Like Clean, Auto Clean clears out the local repository of retrieved package files. It only removes package files that can no longer be downloaded. To uninstall software from your computer, we use apt remove. Purge is identical to remove, except that packages are removed, and any configuration files are deleted too. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.